Have you ever wondered where your paycheck disappears before you're even halfway through the month? You might be thinking, I'm not living a luxurious lifestyle. But believe it or not, the average American middle class family unknowingly loses more than $500 every month. And no, it's not because of one big expense. It's caused by small, invisible financial leaks. In today's video, I'll show you the 3 biggest financial leaks that are silently stealing your hard-earned money. And more importantly, how you can stop them and keep more cash in your pocket by the end of every month. The first problem is the subscription economy. These days, it's incredibly easy to sign up for streaming services, digital apps, and monthly memberships. Each one may seem inexpensive, but over the course of a year, those small charges add up to hundreds of dollars. Ask yourself this: did you even open that movie streaming app last month? Or use that gym membership you're still paying for? For most people, the answer is probably no. But your bank account doesn't care whether you used it or not. The money keeps leaving every month, and those tiny recurring expenses slowly weaken your budget. The second problem is the credit card trap. Credit cards can be incredibly useful, but many people make one costly mistake. They only pay the minimum payment each month. Banks design the system so that if you keep making only the minimum payment, most of your money goes toward interest, not toward reducing the actual balance. That means your principal barely moves, and you can stay trapped in debt for years, paying interest month after month while your balance hardly changes. The third problem is the lack of automation. When your money sits in your checking account, it's much easier to spend. If you wait until the end of the month to save, chances are there won't be much left. The good news, the solution is actually very simple. First, review every subscription you have and cancel anything you no longer use. Second, make it a habit to pay off your credit card balance in full whenever possible, instead of relying on minimum payments. And third, set up a dedicated savings account. Then automate a transfer as soon as your paycheck arrives, so you're saving before you have a chance to spend. Building wealth isn't magic. It's simply the result of small, consistent financial decisions. Start plugging these financial leaks today, and you'll be surprised how much money you can keep. Now tell me in the comments, did you discover a subscription you really don't need anymore? Let me know below.